Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious non-alcoholic mojito. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, half a lime, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Also, grab some club soda or sparkling water, and don't forget plenty of ice. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the heart of the mojito. Place your mint leaves, lime juice from half a lime, and 2 teaspoons of sugar into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together for about 15 to 20 seconds. The goal is to release the mint's aroma, not to shred the leaves. Then, fill your glass generously with ice. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of refreshing drinks, staying hydrated throughout the day is key. Check out the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your water cold. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Almost there. Once your mint, lime, and sugar are muddled and your glass is full of ice, it's time to add the fizz. Slowly top off your glass with chilled club soda or sparkling water. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything without losing too much carbonation. Finally, garnish with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant mint sprig for that perfect touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.